Hi everybody, this is Emily Aga with Marine Max Nisswa. I want to show you this beautiful 2011 23 LSV. It has 531 hours with a 350 monsoon engine in it, and it is equipped with an arch tower with 4 speakers. This boat is equipped with a power wedge. It'll help you save gas by getting on plane faster, and it is surf capable. This is going to be an amazing boat for foiling and wakeboarding as well. Inside the boat looks absolutely beautiful. We just did $3,000 worth of work in here. We got midship lighting, tons of cup holders, we got 1,000 pounds of factory ballast, and up in the front here we have the Malibu touch command. Features inside this boat, we have a table to be set up for entertainment. Back here we have light and stereo control, which is amazing to be able to control this and not fighting with your driver. Here, coming to the front of the boat, we have retractable heaters and a spacious playpen to hang out and get some sun. This boat's capacity is for 15 people. Thank you guys for watching, and come see it at Marine Max Nisswa.